This is the Post-Roble Summer Undergraduate Research Fellowship. These 5 students and 3 faculty members have been working on individual projects in mathematical research, and now we're really starting to answer some questions. We have students working in the field of topology, students working in the field of geometry, computer science, and AI, so it covers a wide variety of topics.
He explained the project to me and said that he needed a student with a unique background, and because I am able to do math and computer science, he asked if I'd be interested, so that's how I got into this. So our goal here is obviously proving mathematical theorems, which is math, but the way you need to do that is using a computer language and using computer systems to verify these mathematical proofs and theorems.
I'm working on hyperbolic geometry and some different calculus functions that are from Euclidean geometry and how they transfer over to the hyperbolic space.
This is one of my favorite things about working at St. Norbert. I love working with students on moments where they can discover new things. It's not busy work, it's not an assignment, it's, what can we discover together? It's wonderful to spend some one-on-one time with students and see them grow over the summer.
It's definitely been interesting. The first few weeks started off with some lit review, just trying to understand what people in the field have already done or are currently looking at, so we could figure out a more narrow topic so that it's something that's achievable in a summer and that it's not something that somebody has already done.
The opportunity came about because Dr. Dunbar and I knew each other well. He knew my name and everything, so I don't think that would necessarily have been something that happened at a larger school.
If you went to, maybe a larger state school, they might be able to offer more classes, but they wouldn't be able to offer this kind of one-on-one experience where you're looking at a topic that would not even appear in a class.
You definitely feel like you matter in my classes. I've never had a professor who didn't know my name, which is really great. And they know that this is the sort of project that I would succeed in, so that's why it was suggested to me.
What's great is to see how they're going to be much better math students in the future because they spent this time on this project. They're growing in ways that they probably don't even realize yet. They're hitting frustrations that they definitely realize those are happening, but they're learning to persevere through them.
It also is helpful when you're looking for letters of recommendations for scholarships or eventually grad school, and then also finding out what you enjoy about this subject and what you want to do.
I think it's a really cool opportunity. It definitely helps give you a path for what you might want to do later in life. If you want to go into academia or if you'd rather get a career in the field, I think it helps with that a lot.
Math can be hard sometimes. It is challenging, but once you have the discovery at the end, it's really worth it. You feel like you understand the world just a little bit better.